In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use skill points NCAA 25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use your skill points. Skill points are mandatory if you want to increase the overall performance of your players. You will be able to earn them through various means, and once you have accumulated enough, you can choose from a variety of abilities to upgrade. So whenever you go over to modes like Road to Glory, Dynasty, and so on, you will have the skill points displayed at the top right corner of the screen. You can see how much you have, and you will have an agenda and challenges to do so you can earn more. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about the best ways to earn these skill points. I'm simply going to teach you how to spend them. So the main way to spend them is always going to be available under Actions whenever you choose the Upgrade Player option. So go over to Upgrade Player. And now you will be able to browse through various abilities. So you will have an overview of your player, the ratings, and then whenever you choose any of these categories like mantles, physics, health, physicals, health, and so on, you will see the amount of skill points that you need to purchase a specific skill. And all that you have to do is hold the respective button. So in this case, X. Immediately upon pressing and holding that button, you will spend the necessary amount of skill points and you will get the ability that you are highlighting. So you can browse through various categories and manage your player over here. The overall will be displayed at the top and you will see the rating. You can also go to the ratings tab to upgrade these categories here. Like I mentioned, there are various different ways to earn these points quickly. For a video of this nature, I cannot cover most of them, but if you do your research and as long as you keep playing a lot, doing all of the challenges, you will be able to get it all upgraded. I hope I was able to help you on how to use skill points NCAA 25. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.